ban yalam bakla yo paidbah o ban kenok da kuni pada kumtai lada kadai tang hapeng para paidbah ngenu ne pensap revenue snow bakat u deputy chief minister kat u minister kidang kren kum kitu ki kelung ki kena dai namar kata kadau na snow badon dai namar kata kadau na snow badon kam ban ai jikai om tang yepi ki paidbah hendrai ban ai jikai ye ki tei ki minister ki deputy chief minister ki bashang haba secretary ngakwa benong iki ngam tip ki snotho nam kamod ayu politics hanaba ke VPP kali politics kali ke meeting ngimpat ong yang kali ke rally ngiom kali datang ke public meeting ni sedang ban lek pen snotho bagla under the voice of the people party kan lom ni ke rally haki por ki banuan upaidbah de ki lakon mi hagani ke rally di sini kadai ke rally ke bisisa kadai tang ke jingialang paidbah ban pen snotho ban sedang nang ni ban pen snotho balai ni hab ban mi komne syahmat ngakwa menang ni kini minister ban pen snotho aki ya kata ke kintin politics kamun ayu politics katkum ke jipatai jom u Michael Curtis way ni ki political scientist ubabatai syafang ke jimut jom ke politics one kumno the scope of politics is much more than a mere study of the state and the government. According to Michael Curtis, politics is concerned with the description and analysis of the manner in which power is obtained, exercised and controlled. The purpose for which it is used, the manner in which decisions are made